Gotta walk a little bit to get to the spot. But it ain't nothing.
Looks like I got something taking it now. I do.
It's gone.
Oh!
Good.
That's what. Oh, that was bigger. That's a bass. That's a catfish. That's a fat cat. That fish is fat as hell.
Do you want that too?
You think he wants it? I don't want it. Should I just go ahead and ask him if he wants the fish we catch? Or should we just throw it back?
You can ask him if he wants the fish we catch, and I'll keep it down here.
Look at this fatty catty, guys.
Because that's how big they get. And
look at how spotted he is.
Oh,
you got. Austin got. Oh, double up. That's a good ass clip. Double up, Austin. Hey, we got the spot in the creek. What did you get hung on, Minnow? Bro!
Wait. It's like all the way over the tree. A little bass, you know, like, definitely not over a pound, but they're all just like formed above it.
Oh, I got him that time. Oh, it's a crappie. Oh, get my beer, Austin. Hold my beer, Austin. You see my cork, Austin?
It's gone.
Eat it.
Eat it, bite it, smack it.
Did he let it go? He let it go? No.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it feels nice. Oh, no, that's a crappie. Oh.
So this is a little nest right here. Hey, that one's much bigger than mine.
This one might be 10.
I pulled it out to a 12.
No, he's not a 10. Oh, he's a 10.
Hey, that one